Hey, it's Eric G from Around the House. If you want flavor, ignite the summer, master the heat. Inspired by Southern grilling traditions, Monument Grills brings backyard barbecue to a whole new level with the powerful E605. It preheats to 500 degrees in just 3 minutes. 5-burner infrared power up to 89,000 BTUs. Dual fuel ready, Bluetooth smart controls, and eco-friendly LED touch panel. Solid stainless build, legendary performance, unforgettable flavor. Grill like a pro? Visit monumentgrills.com. That's monumentgrills.com, because this summer, you're not just grilling, you're mastering the heat.
Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour of the show, Eric G and John Dudley talk about the top 10 projects every homeowner should want to be able to tackle as DIY projects that can save you the most money. Things are expensive out there. Let's try to keep some of that money in your bank account.
Is if you've got like an American Standard or a Delta or Kohler, mowing, call their 1-800 number, their 188 number. Call customer service. They might just send you that pack for free. A lot of them have lifetime warranties. They might just go, oh, you need this. Okay, cool. And they might just send you the parts for free, which isn't a bad deal.
I know Moen does. That's why we used to always use their diverters in showers and things like that.
Yeah.
And they'll send you out a new packing kit. No problem.
No problem. So now it's just taking the time and researching it. But a lot of them are pretty easy to do. You replace that cartridge. At some point, it's good if it's not in style and you want to update it and the finish is bad, don't worry about repairing it. Just toss it, get something new.
Yeah.
That's the big one. The other thing is...
In the second hour, Eric G sits down with Rigo Topeet from Comcast. This isn't the midweek special from last week, but the full episode talking about how new technology is changing how you use your cell phone.
It's kind of like when I was a kid and we had AOL, right? You did all you could within the bandwidth, and otherwise it was just a really slow day.
Yeah, I remember those days. Yep. The dial-up AOL connection.
Oh my God. How patient were we?
Oh my. And then remember when it would kick you off it felt like it was going smooth, and then all of a sudden you had to reset it, and oh man.
Somebody was calling on the phone and was trying to get a hold of my mom, and I was a kid, and we had the one phone line in the house, and you'd been tying up the phone. Well, yeah, I'm with you. I was in that kind of home too. We had one line, and there was always a little bit of shouting back and forth. They're tying up the line. I got a call coming in from grandma or from someone else. And here we are now with AI, and a lot of people are scared of it out there. And I always just say, when you're scared of something, play around with it a little bit.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs. Keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to aroundthehouseonline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.